Hello, welcome to the Emmanuel Can Wealth Building YouTube channel where I share content around forex trading, cryptocurrency, how to earn in dollars online, and everything that has to do with wealth building ideas and opportunities. So, if such content is what brings you to YouTube, hit on the subscribe button down below straight away. Do that now, and then hit on the notification bell icon so that as soon as I upload new videos, you will be notified immediately. In today's video, by the way, happy Easter to you all listening to my voice right now, watching this video right now, and to all my YouTube family and community members, happy Easter to you all. May you experience the benefit of his resurrection, and may it come to pass. May it bring about his blessings. May it bring about his the expression and manifestation of his love in your heart and in your lives. Amen. All right, guys. In today's video, I want to walk you through an opportunity that I got involved with. Of course, I was introduced to. All right. It's quite an amazing one, and of course, it's risky. Just like every other online business and every other offline business, there will always be the risk factor. All right, but I'm going to walk you through everything about the platform that I know of and why I am deciding to get involved with it. All right, so that you will be in the know, so that it will help you to make your own decision if you want to get along with it or not. Remember, I am not your financial advisor. Okay, so everything I share here is for information and educational purposes. You will always you're advised to always do your due diligence, make your own findings, make your own research, then make your own decision, because I will not be liable for 100% of the profit that you make or any loss incurred by virtue of interacting with the content that I share here. Okay, without wasting much time, this platform helps you to we trade bitcoins on a daily basis, based on signals that were given from the teacher, as we call him. All right, it's more or less like a Bitcoin scalping opportunity. Bitcoin scalper is what I like to call it. Okay, every day we trade based on the signals at a fixed time, which is around 8 p.m. We trade. Signals are dropped in the group, and we trade. The group is hosted on Discord app. All right, so we trade every day, and then we make profits, and your profits depends on your capital, of course, and more so. Okay, I think I'll leave it at that. Let me just show you a bit about the platform that I okay, here is the platform. First of all, it's called metaex trading app. Metaex. This is the interface of the system. Okay, and as you can see, there are only two currencies here, BTC and Ethereum. Okay, there are only two assets here, BTC and Ethereum. And guys, this platform has been making people bastard money. I mean, crazy amount of money, and yet a lot of persons still do not know about it. You'll be shocked that there are many Nigerians in this platform already who are making money, and yet some people are just cleaning mouth. They'll eat the money and clean mouth. Okay, so this video is just an overview of the entire platform. I'm going to make other videos to explain in depth different aspects of the platform, how to interact with the interface and all that. So when I first got introduced to the platform, what I did was I went on uh, Google to check out their whois record to see what there is to see about them. So just go right here and type in trader metaex.trade. Okay, and you'll see their details pop up in a jiffy. Okay, so this is the details. Registered 2001. Okay, and it's expiring this year, 12th December 2022. So they have invariably been trading. This is when it was last updated. They've invariably been trading for since last year, 2021. Okay, so that's basically that. The state is Arizona, US, United States of America. Okay, so I checked them, and that is what I could get. They don't have much information online because I went further to check on just do a random search on MetaTrader founder or metatrader.trade. Okay, I think I did .net. Yeah, to see. Okay, I think it's because I'm logged in. That's why it's doing this stuff. Let me. Okay, I'm not even logged in. Okay, so it's supposed to show. So when you type in metaex.net on Google, this is what pops up. So let me change my search word. Founder of metaex.trade. Okay, so let's see if they have so I really didn't see much here, and I got to understand why that is. Now, as I made further research, here's what I found. Here's what I found out. The platform is a decentralized crypto exchange with innovative short-term trading options. Okay, it's decentralized. It's a crypto exchange, but decentralized. You don't need to be a professional or an expert before you trade in metaex platform. Just follow trading signals as analyzed by the teacher every 8 p.m. on Facebook Messenger and Discord group chat. You will be told how to trade. Of course, I'll make subsequent videos about that. Because the teacher's prediction of the short-term trend of Bitcoin is very accurate, of course, there is no guarantee that it will be 100% correct every time. So there are two important reasons why we make steady profit every day. First, the teacher investment strategy. Second, the it's supposed to be arrangement. The arrangement. We arrange our investment amount reasonably to accommodate 5 rounds. How to get started MetaX registration. MetaX is a decentralized autonomous crypto exchange. So bear that in mind. First of all, is decentralized and it's autonomous. Okay, it's an autonomous crypto exchange. All right, so that's why you hardly find details online. Okay, like on Google about the operation of the platform. Okay, so basically this is how it operates in details. You join the platform. Of course, it's free to register. Once you come on board, you fund your account. Of course, you do your verification, sign up verification, and all that stuff. Then you fund your account with whatever you choose to, something like $50, $100, 1,000, 500, 2,000. There are persons who have hundreds of thousands there. It's more or less dominated by the whites. Okay, as you saw, it's USB. It's more or less dominated by the whites. So I mean, there are boys there, guys they were putting in big box. Big box. Okay, so you fund your account, then the teacher gives signals every blessed every blessed day. Okay, every blessed day. And how it works is this: there are 5 rounds for each signals. For each signal, 5 rounds, meaning there's round 1 you can trade round 1 you can trade, round 2 you can trade, round 3 you can trade, round 4 you can trade, round 5. Okay, but it's not as if you can trade all the rounds together. How the trading rounds operate is this: if the signal drops at 8 p.m. and you take the trade. Let me get to the app again. Yeah, so if the signal drops at 8 p.m., okay, you click on trade. All right, you click on trade, and as soon as the signal drop, you come to your trade, your app. All right, I'll show you how to trade anyway later on. But for now, this is just an overview. Okay, so you come to the app. If it's a buy signal that you were given, you click on buy. If it's the sell signal you were given, you click on sell. All right, now, and it's just for 60 minutes because it's a scalping system. All right, just for 60 minutes. The trade is going to last for 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, you are good to go. Sometimes some people who have some good money there in 60 minutes, some people just make $1,000 in 60 minutes. Some make $100 in 60 minutes. Some make $20, $30, depending on your capital. All right. Now in that round 1, once you are given the signal and you place your buy or sell, that round 1 might be a loss. Now if that round 1 ends up in a loss, because the 60 seconds is very short, immediately the teacher, that's what we call him here on this platform, the guy who drops the signals, okay, who analyzes the chart. Now the teacher will immediately drop a second signal. It could still be a sell or it could be a buy, whichever one. As soon as he drops the second signal, we will all enter the trade. Okay, now if that second round ends up in a loss, the teacher will drop another signal just like that. All right, until we get to the 5th round. Now the beautiful thing is this: on the first round of signals, if he calls by 8 p.m., if he calls the trade and the trade ends up in a loss, everybody who is on the platform, depending on your capital, there is a recommended, well arranged, well organized investment amount structure or strategy that we use. So if your capital is $1,000, for example, there is a recommended amount of your capital that you are to use for round 1 trade. If that round 1 trade fails, for round 2 trade, there is a recommended amount of your capital that you are to use for that trade. Now, the round 2 trade, the capital that the amount that you use for round 2 trade will be such that it will cover for the loss of round 1 and then make up for profit as well. Then if round 2 trade fails, we'll take round 3 trade. Now round 3 trade, the amount you will use according to the strategy of the investment, the amount you will use for round 3 trade will cover for the losses of round 1, round 2, and then make you profit in addition. So either way you look at it, there's no loss. Because if you lose round 1, you're going to gain it in round 2, and if you don't get it in round 2, you're going to gain it in round 3. up or until round 5. Now, but we seldom get to round 5. Round 5 is the highest level you can get to of losses, but we seldom get to round 5. Now, most times profit comes from just round 1 of the trade. At other times it gets to round 2, but seldomly have we ever gotten to round. We have never gotten to round 5, as a matter of fact, but seldomly have we gotten to round 4. Seldomly. It's always in round 1, round 2, round 1, round 2. You get it. You make your money from there. You understand? So this the amount you invest in per trade is going to be determined by the capital you have. It is arranged in such a way that your capital, even if it's $100 you have, it is arranged in such a way that your capital will accommodate 5 rounds of trade. That means at the end of the day, if the whole 5 round ends in a loss, if you follow the capital, the investment structure, you will still not blow your account. You get it? So your capital, even if it's $100, even if it's $50, if you follow the structure, it is arranged and structured in a way that even if the whole 5 round ends up in a loss, your capital, what you would have lost from your capital, might be around 30% or 40%, at worst 50%. Your capital will still have a large chunk of your capital intact, so you can engage subsequently. You get the idea, right? So that is how we operate here. But take my word for it, we seldom get to round 3. It has been round 1, round 2, round 1, round 2. Like yesterday, for example, we had a trade. We took a trade. Where's the Discord? And the first round of the trade was a loss. Okay, this is it. The first round of the trade was, look, these are people's what's it called, profit sheet and trade reports. Look at this guy. He just made $141. Are you seeing that? This guy made $4 depending on his capital. Are you seeing that? You get it, right? This is the balance. Now this is the profit. This is where you check the profit. This is where you check the person's capital or balance. All right, so this guy on $86, he made $4. Okay, this was for yesterday's trade. Like I said, the first round yesterday ended up in a loss, but the second round, as soon as we entered the second round, it was massive. It was just profits. Look at this guy. This guy made $81 in just a single trade. $81 in just a single trade. His capital is muted. Is okay. So this is how we roll. This is how we work here. This is how we roll this. So this is the platform I was telling you about. This is where we get our signals and we engage, chat up, and do all the necessary stuff. All right. Now, in every single day that we trade, per round, the profit, estimated profit per round is this, guys. 91%. So if you trade the first round or whatever round you trade at all, your profit that is going to be generated is 91% of your capital. This is Bitcoin USDT scalping. This is not this is not forex. This is not futures trading. This is not whatever. This is strictly Bitcoin scalping. All right, well guided, structured investment pattern. So your any signal you take, any trade you make, depending on your capital, you are making 91% of your capital as profit. Now these guys have been doing this since last year, 2021, as we saw in the Google information I posted earlier. All right, so this is how it operates. This is how we roll. This is how we work here. So I thought to bring this to your notice. I'm going to leave the necessary links and some other information in the description of this video. All right, and I'll leave the link to our group so that you can join for more education and then get started and all that. Now look at this guy. This guy made $1.82. His capital is not reflected. Okay, $1.82, and so on and so on and so on, guys. This guy made $18. This guy made $91. Are you seeing this? This guy made $7. I hope you know where I'm checking for the profit. I've shown that before, right? This guy made $91. Let's see another one. Okay, this guy made $5. So this is where you check the profit. I did that before, and this is where you check the capital. All right, so that is it, guys. I'm going to leave the necessary information in the description of this video so that you can get started and join our group too for educational purposes as well. Now remember, anyway, when you get into the group for education, I'm going to say this again. I'm going to reiterate this. Remember, you are not advised to put in all your monies into any online business. Set aside monies for opportunities like this, for investments like this. All right, set aside. Now my upline, the guy who referred me to this platform, he started with about $540 thereabout, and he just in a space of 1 month he had made a whopping sum of over $4,000 in profit. All right, over $4,000 in profit, and then he increased his capital. He has been increasing his capital as he makes withdrawal. He keeps increasing his capital. All right, withdraw is anytime you like, and you can withdraw up to $1, up to $2, $3, $5. It's all up to you. But withdrawal is anytime you like. There's no fixed time for withdrawal. There's no fixed time for deposit. Okay, it's anytime you wish you withdraw. If you finish trading today and you make profit, you can withdraw immediately, or you can compound, add it to your capital, whichever one you want to do. It's all up to you. All right, guys, so that is all for this video. Watch out for my subsequent educational video on this platform. Till I come your way again next time, I remain your friend and your boy Monica. Stay blessed.